7 days. That's all I gave myself. 7 days to rebuild my entire study life, to prove that change doesn't take forever. It just takes focus. I was tired of drifting, tired of feeling busy but not moving anywhere. So I made a promise. For the next 7 days, I would start over, rebuild how I studied, how I thought, how I lived. Day 1 was all about clearing space, not just physically, but mentally. I deleted distractions, cleaned my environment, and set one rule. If it doesn't serve my goals, it doesn't stay. The truth is, clarity begins when you remove noise. Most people never rebuild because they never clear the ground first. I felt light, empty, but focused. That's when the rebuild began. Day 2, I stopped chasing motivation. Because motivation fades, systems don't. I built my study blocks around energy, not time. When I had the most focus, I tackled the hardest subjects. I created small systems that could run even when I didn't feel like it. That's when I realized success isn't built on feeling inspired, it's built on consistency. Day 3, I learned to go deep. No notifications, no switching tasks, just flow. At first it was hard. My brain fought back, craving dopamine hits, but slowly, focus became natural. Deep work taught me something powerful. You don't need more hours. You just need to be fully present in the ones you already have. By day 4, the small habits started to stack. A morning routine, a short reflection after studying, a 5-minute walk instead of a phone scroll. Each small change built momentum, and that momentum built confidence. On day 5, something clicked. I wasn't chasing motivation anymore. I was living by design. The same routine that felt impossible on day 1 now felt automatic. That's the real secret. When you rebuild your habits rebuild you. Day 6 was about refining the system. What worked stayed. What didn't, I replaced. Progress isn't perfection, it's iteration. Every great system is built by testing, failing, and improving. I started to trust myself again. Day 7 wasn't the end. It was the beginning. I realized something simple, but life-changing. Your study life isn't built in one day. It's rebuilt one day at a time. 7 days was enough to remind me who I wanted to become. I rebuilt my study life in 7 days, but what changed forever was the way I see myself. If you're watching this, start your own 7 days. Because the life you want is already waiting. It's just 7 disciplined days away. Ready to rebuild your focus? Subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the bell for weekly videos that help you study smarter, think deeper, and become your best self. One habit at a time.